And now, please welcome Missouri Military Academy's President, General Richard V. Geraci, U.S. Army, retired.
Thank you. And again, congratulations to everyone that we recognize this morning. I want to start by welcoming our new cadets and congratulating them on making a courageous decision. I also want to welcome our old cadets and also recognize you for making the courageous decision to return, because you know how challenging MMA is. You elected to return to continue to become the best man that you can be. There's a lot of changes you're going to see this year, but every single one of you are up to the task. I want to recognize our cadet leaders for accepting the responsibility for training and taking care of our new cadets. That is a significant responsibility. We have confidence in you that you are up to the task and that you will do a great job. For those old cadets who are not in leadership positions yet, I expect you, the Commandant expects you, the Dean expects you, the Athletic Director expects you to strive to get into those leadership positions. That's part of the education at MMA. All of you should take the opportunity to thank your parents for giving you the opportunity to attend the academy. This is a significant time in your life. And if you make all the right decisions, you are going to find out that your attendance at the academy puts you in a great position for the rest of your lives. Make sure you thank your parents, because your parents, your families, are making sacrifices for you to attend. So our goal here is your success. And when you marched in, you saw the staff and faculty up in the bleachers. You see faculty on the stage. You see the administration on the stage. We are all here for you. If you think about it, the staff, the CLAs, drivers, chaplain, faculty, counselors, advisors, the registrar, coaches, assistant coaches, the athletic director, in the facilities division, the custodians, grounds and barracks maintenance, all these people are here for you. The business office personnel, dining facility cooks and servers, IT division with their technical expertise, the admin assistants, those ladies that sit outside all the key offices. They can answer many of your questions, and they are here for you. You have the admissions office and the counselors, many of which you met, and probably part of the reason you're here. And the administration. We all care about you. Your success is our success. I want you to compare what I just shared with you with your experiences at other schools. Did anybody ever tell you that all of those people care about you? You might have some doubts, but you're going to see that. I guarantee you, you will see that in this very first week once you start classes. You've already seen that since you arrived, but you're going to even see that more with the great faculty that we have. Great coaches we have. And those CLAs, everybody is here for you. Cadet leaders are here for you. They have worked hard, they have trained, and they have demonstrated through their performance that we can trust them to train you. At MMA, no one sits on the sideline. No one. You must get involved. You must get involved in the classroom. You must get involved in sports. And you must get involved with the Corps of Cadets. Take advantage of every opportunity that is presented to you. Especially the fun things. There's going to be times when there's field trips, when there's recreational activities, when there's things on the back campus. Don't sit in your rooms. Experience every single thing that you can. And these cadet leaders will help you do that. So today, you will be involved in the resolution ceremony at the end here. And I want you to think about just 4 words that you will state in that resolution. Honesty, integrity, respect, and responsibility. Very important words. And I want to emphasize one thing. And this is really important. It's important to all of you. It's important to the staff and faculty. And it's important to your families. At MMA, we do not tolerate disrespect. There is absolutely no reason for you to disrespect each other, the staff, the faculty, your parents. There's no reason for it. All of you are better men than that. So, I always get asked the questions by some parents, cadets, what does my son need to do to succeed? Or cadet will ask me, what do I need to do to succeed? Well, first of all, compare yourself to the MMA standards. Make sure you know those standards. Don't compare yourself to each other. Compare yourself to the standard. For the rest of your life, compare yourself to the standard. Ask questions. We are here to help you. Ask questions. Ask for help. Don't be afraid. Do not be afraid. We are here to help you. You must support each other. You have battle buddies. you have roommates, you have teammates, you're all in a squad together, all the way up through your company, and then the brotherhood as part of the Corps. Support each other. Never quit. If you quit, it gets easier the next time. And I've watched this for years. Quitters keep quitting. And pretty soon they're going down this slippery slope. And they don't achieve anything. It's going to be tough here, but every one of you can make it. Because we care and we're going to help you. And those cadet leaders are going to help you. There's a poster that I hope all of you have seen that my cadet leaders have signed the back of that I have in my office. And it's also written in the last page of your cadet handbook. Stand tall and step up. Read that. Read it every day. Live by it. Memorize it. Because if you take some of the advice that I have just given you, you will be able to earn your place in the Corps of Cadets. Just like these leaders and the old cadets, they have earned their place in the Corps of Cadets. We want our new cadets to earn their place in the Corps of Cadets. But once you earn your place, you must sustain it. So that poster in the last page of the cadet handbook applies to every single cadet. The last thing I'll tell you is strive to be a cadet in good standing. Strive to be a cadet in good standing. All of you will make mistakes. You might make a poor decision. Accept accountability and move on. You will be able to move on. So far, from what I observed, we have a great group of new cadets. I'm very pleased with the cadet leadership, the cadre training. I think we're off to a great start. We have a great staff and faculty here for you. And so I wish all of you good luck in starting this year. And my hope is that every single one of you will be here at the end of the year, especially those who I get to congratulate in giving them their high school diploma. Thank you.